Last month, my buddy Mike invited us over to show off his new smart fridge. It was supposed to be the latest in kitchen tech, with features that made it sound like it could practically cook dinner itself. At first, everything seemed normal, until the fridge started sending us some truly bizarre shopping lists via email. Items like 12 gallons of chocolate syrup and a single olive had us scratching our heads. We shrugged it off as a tech glitch, but the lists kept coming, each more nonsensical than the last. After a week of this, Mike's wife noticed their toddler giggling at the fridge door, tiny fingers smudging the touchscreen. Turns out, their little Picasso had been creating abstract grocery art. Laughing, we decided to let the toddler order the groceries for their next party. The guests were utterly confused when the only refreshment was a mountain of pickles and a single loaf of bread. And so, Mike's fridge was dubbed FR.